Well, looking at some of the losers in today's trading session, we see that the agricultural sector coming under pressure once again today. Not surprising, we have seen a slew of profit warnings coming through from some of those counters.
The agricultural sector has really not had a good year, that's what I could say. We have had high financing costs, then a series of climate changes that actually affected production. So really, it didn't come as a surprise that we have seen a slide in the agricultural sector, so especially when you look at coffee and tea.
And looking at some of those agricultural stocks like Williamson's Tea, Kakuzi and Sasini, where are you putting your money into right now, or are you perhaps staying away from the overall sector?
The agro sector, I think I'd develop a wait-and-see approach. I would be so bullish about it at the moment because, but then again, as we go forward, remember the interest rates have come down. We have seen we have seen a period of low lending of low interest rates. So maybe, just maybe, as we head towards 2013, there could be opportunities.
And the likes of Rio Vipingo ending in positive territory today. We saw it ending up to almost 3% to 19 shillings. We know that that company is building a 48 megawatt wind farm. What do you make of Rio Vipingo right now?
Really, Rio Vipingo at this moment is a case study in diversification. It is joining the ranks of Mumias Sugar, who have decided to diversify into electricity generation, which could provide a more diversified source of income for them. So I would be bullish about Rio Vipingo at the moment. And because again, remember, they are in Lamu, I mean, at the coast. So there could be a bit of opportunity.
What about a company like eGuards ending at the top of the NSE 20 in today's trading session? What are you doing with that counter?
For eGuards, that is really a closely held counter. So I don't know. For eGuards, it's really I would not use it much as a measure of the NSE of the performance since it's only a few shares a trade.
And the World Bank has came out with a report revising Kenya's economic growth downwards to 4.3% for 2012. But if you look at the finance minister a few weeks ago coming out and saying that he expects the economy to perhaps grow by 5.1%. In your view, why do we see these disparities in the numbers?
Yeah, quite a disparity there. I think I don't know. Maybe the parameters of the World Bank would look to measure the rate of economic growth, and what the Kenyan government is using might probably explain for the disparity. That is what I would think.